Want to find out who our winners were from last week's Mother's Day special Review to You video? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary. And this is my buddy Matt. We're just a bunch of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. 3 times a week, we review all these cool products and give them away for free. To all of our subscribers that get involved. There's Men's Mondays, Wednesday for Women, and Friday Fun Day for the kids and the whole family. Every product we review is up for grabs. To be in the running, you have to be subscribed to the channel, have liked the video, and typed in the comments section of that video the code word we mentioned throughout the video. But for now, let's announce our winners. Last week for Women's Wednesday, we did things a little differently. We reviewed 2 products, the Mural Smart Wi-Fi Digital Photo Frame and the Amazon Echo Show 8. We gave the former a score of 3.5 stars, while the latter received a solid 4.5 stars. In addition to this, we were also giving away a $100 Amazon gift card, which received 5 stars, obviously. So which lucky subscribers get to make their mothers happy on Mother's Day? And the winner of the Mural Smart Wi-Fi Digital Photo Frame is Nguyen. And the winner of the Amazon Echo Show 8 is Ashley Jones. And finally, the winner of the $100 Amazon gift card is Grant Johansson. Congratulations, Jim, Ashley, and Grant. We're going to get these packaged up and sent out to you just in time for Mother's Day. If you want the chance to be a winner like Gemma Maria Perez, you can start by subscribing to Review to You and turning on post notifications so you can be one of the first to enter our product review and giveaways. We do them 3 times every week. Make sure to check out our other review videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.